Hi, I'm Candice Dehnavi. I study fine art at Manchester School of Art. I'm a performance and installation artist, and I'm also an illustrator. So for the work for my degree show, I love to world build, kind of create the world that's in my head, and that has drawn influences from a mixed race upbringing. I'm half Iranian, half British, born in England, but I'm dual nationality. I grew up in a hotel, which I bring a lot of inspiration from ugly carpets to weird teapots and random intersections of Persian culture within that. It's where a lot of my work kind of stems from, is these memories from being a child, running through the hotel, playing on the carpet, kind of like The Shining, but in my own non-murderous way. I just love to make, and especially with Manchester School of Art, having the facilities here to just try anything, to just build anything, and having so many people around who know what they're doing is so useful, and has meant that I'm able to get to the point where I am now as an established artist and just confident in my practice. Within fine art, it can be really difficult sometimes. It's never the easiest thing. You can run into a lot of issues within your work, especially if you're trying new things, which you'll be doing at uni. That's where the tutors are fantastic. You can message them, email them at any time, and they will put you in touch with someone who knows what they're doing. And within that, there's this sort of like spider web of knowledge within the uni, where I can go to one tech and they teach me how to do something, and then they send me to another tech who can show me how to do something else. And within that, I am gaining that knowledge as well and becoming much more confident in my artwork. You can make anything you want. Anything is possible, especially with the help you get here. It's kind of the knowledge and the skills and everything is set into the walls of this building. I mean, it's such an old art school, and you can tell because they know what they're doing. And being able to build freely and create anything I want has been one of the best times of my life, because I can just create, and that's what fine art's about.